ngDesk offers the ability for users to sign into your ngDesk support portal using their social accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, Microsoft, and Google. By using their existing Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or Twitter accounts, this saves users the trouble of creating a separate account for accessing your ngDesk support portal. By default, social sign-in is enabled for your users. To adjust these settings, navigate to and select Company Settings from the sidebar, and under Security, select Social Sign-In. When these options are checked, users will be able to sign in using these social accounts. You can pick and choose which social accounts to enable users to sign in with. Click Save to update the login options. The social login options you have chosen to enable will be available on your ngDesk support portal login page, and users can select any of these available options to log in to your ngDesk portal. If you have any questions, please contact ngDesk support.